Hi guys, I thought whilst I'm waiting for this video to render, which takes bloody ages, I thought I would start talking about some of the gear that I wear, or that's proven, or that I choose. It's also a quick tip: do not go to render if you've got stuff on an SD card. It drops out and it's a pain in the balls. Anyway. So these are my Frank Thomas Kinetic gloves. I've had these for I think about 3 or 4 years now. Having a look online, you can, if you're lucky, you can get hold of some, and they are about £70. So the Frank Thomas Kinetic double cuff. And what usually goes on the gloves is around the palm. Starts to hole, or the fingertips start to wear through, or the seams bust, and then you're knackered, and then it's a new set. But these are holding up well. I tend to, these do get wet, obviously they're summer gloves, but I use them in the, if it's, I get caught out in the rain like everybody, and just chuck them on top of the radiator, which you're never supposed to do. And they haven't cracked. They dry out quickly, and they offer a decent level of protection. I mean, on the knuckle here, you're talking about the carbon. Most gloves have got some sort of knuckle guard. Also, the top where the logos and stuff are, that's all padded. Then you got finger sliders. For want of a better word, or finger protection, and what I really like is the fact that these two fingers are joined, so they're joined by a bit of leather webbing, which means that if you fall off and you're flailing around, then more often than not it's going to be your little finger that gets broke. Now, if it's with another finger, it offers it some sort of strength or a splint, or some could argue that if you're going to bust it, you're going to break the two then. But I think that's a good idea, which is, yeah, part of the reason why I chose them. I don't really want to start breaking fingers if or when I come off. So I hope that these will last a while. I really like these gloves. These proven durable, proven comfortable, especially from my big old hands. I take a double XL, big old plates of meat there, and yeah, I mean, I don't see anything better. Again, these get used all sorts of uses, and I'll be taking them with me on my tour. Well, that's it. So this is just a quick one whilst I'm waiting for this bugger to render. I hope you found it useful. If you've got any questions about the gloves, the boots, or any of the other gear that I wear, then drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.